Alright, so we are in Casa Flor and we're gonna get a typical chivito, which apparently you guys is like one of your specialties.
I learned to make chivitos with my father in my house many years ago. It's like a classic and typical tradition in my family. So I like to share that kind of tradition with my guests and the guests that come to visit Casa Flor. Just bacon.
Bacon.
Eggs that we like to do like set inside.
Ah, right, easy over.
Yeah. Toasting a little bit the bread.
Yep.
It's like a special bread for chivito.
What cut is that of the beef?
It's quadril.
Quadril.
Yeah, we like to use quadril.
I've never really liked it.
Yeah.
Yep. What are you using to season it?
A little bit of salt and just then a little bit of black pepper. That's it.
Great. Well, just typical Uruguayan, right?
Yeah.
The meat is so good you don't need anything more than salt.
And that's the special thing is that the cheese melt but never gets down because it's all with your ham.
The secret, so that the ham is actually folded around a slice of cheese.
I know exactly.
Okay, so yeah, so the bacon we just put it on top just so that it's giving a bit of. So we're gonna put it together now.
Yeah, so we put in the egg in the top.
All right.
And we get ready the bread. So you already like fill it in the bread. This one chivito.
Okay.
With the
toasted bun.
ready. And
Brilliant.
now you put what you like in the top.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put tomato, a bit of onions. The onions are not necessarily that traditional, right, Alfonso?
I think it's more than like kind of a personal.
Yeah, this is more like your touch, the Casa Flor touch.
Yeah, the onion is not usual in the chivito.
Yeah.
In the traditional Uruguayan chivito.
No.
This is a boutique chivito.
All right, and there we go. And I'm gonna put the top on. So. Juanma is actually eating with a knife and fork because people ask about this all the time. How do you best eat a chivito? And you too. You can buy the Uruguay Guide to Uruguay, Beaches, Ranches and Wine Country on Amazon.com.